off to the side of the Lincoln Nature Trail, there's this like old cemetery. Wonder who these people were. There are people that like lived here, or
probably people that died on the travel.
Could be. Very well could be. This age 40, but I can't make it out. 41 years? No, age 4 years?
Yeah, 4 years. As a little kid, 18,
yeah, he's a little kid,
18
dude.
What? 56?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's crazy, dude.
Unbelievable.
It's another little headstone.
That one you can hardly read. That one I bet you is old.
This one here's just leaned up against it.
That's probably the top of it, Tim.
Yeah, it was.
Oh.
Here, let me see.
Emil. E-M-M-A-L. Something. Emil. Something. Emmeline.
Yeah, I can't make it out. That's probably... I see the top of that?
Like that to try to preserve it.
It's the only thing you can make out on that one is like an A.
There's a P and another.
18 to hundreds. 1860.
I bet you there's other graves here, but
Yeah.
like
Yeah,
the stones are gone, so
Unbelievable though.
this is crazy.
Yeah, look at it. Out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. That one says something about cross. Cross cross. Cross. That one is.
What's this over here? Let me get a shot of this. There it is, the hidden cemetery off of the side of the Lincoln Nature Trail. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you.